again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix your Fi integration is not working in the cloud. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues that you are unable to connect your Fi in your Cloud AI, so guys, to fix this, first of all guys, make sure that you are properly logged in both of the applications. So guys, here you see I'm logged in with my Gmail, and when I open Apify, okay, and hit enter, so guys, here you see that I'm also logged in with the same email ID. It is not compulsory, but if you're facing the issues like this, so guys, please try to use the same credentials for both of the applications. This is the first step. Second thing is, which is very important, the Apify is not directly supported to your web version of the Claude AI. So guys, you need to download the desktop version of your Claude, then you connect it. So guys, here I am show you when I try to connect my web version Claude AI, web version of Claude AI with my Apify. So guys, here search, so it show me that you need to download the application. So guys, here you see get Claude for the desktop to use this extension. Exit it. Okay, so guys, you simply go and download. So I'm already download, so I'm simply open my Claude. Okay, so just for see, okay, I'm just open this application. Now here you see that I am on the desktop version of my Claude AI. It's take few seconds to open. When my application is open, so you simply go for the option of customize. Okay, then go and connect to your app, and here you simply search your Apify. Then guys, here you see that I am already integrated, so that's why it shows this setting icon. When you connect it to the first time, so it shows the plus icon, so you just click it and open it. Now here you see connect and configure and install the application. Okay, so here you see that it's the API token unable to connect to extension server. Please try to disable your extension. So guys, if you use any third-party app extension, so guys, please try to turn it off and save the changes. Okay, then guys, you try to check that your Apify server is working properly or not. Sometimes Apify server is down, so it's creating the issue. So you simply search for Apify server status. Okay, and you go the official website and make sure that it is not to be down. Okay, so guys, here you see Apify operational. If it is shows the down, here is the past incident. Okay, if you find any of the problem, so make sure that it will be fixed from the backend side, and you just wait, and after that the problem is resolved, you can connect it. So these are the basic things that you can done to fix this issue. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.